Hello from Slovenia again. Today I'm working on big, at least for me, 20 by 24, I believe, canvas. And I will play with my pearl white base, that it's Vallejo Pearl Medium mixed with titanium white and Floetrol and water to consistency that it's kind of a middle one. And I have some gold, greenish blue, phthalo blue, quinquedone, nickel, azo gold, and black and white for swiping. And I will just let my imagination go wild. I kind of have an idea that I want to keep some negative space on top and swipe here. I don't know where my imagination and intuition and the whole process will take me. So for all the informations, all the colors are mixed with Floetrol and water, except that black and white that I will swipe with are a little thinner than other paints, just maybe a touch or even not. But because of my pearl white mixture, I am expecting some ghosty look, some pearl cells, some nice effect. So I will just go for it. Okay, so I think that I want some gold and quinquedone nickel azo here. And I will swipe with some white here. Have this big palette knife, I don't know the name. Like that, and I still have some stuff on, so I will just let's go just once more from here. Okay, and now I will go with some blue here and maybe go a little over. I will add black swiping color with a little bit of white too for this part. I'm not going for a particular, I don't know, seascape or something. I'm just playing. Okay, I will leave it there. I'm so sorry if I was off frame because I'm not used to these big canvases. But I really love this. So let me take you down for a close-up. I kind of think that I like it the other way more. I'm not sure. I just know that I love it. Look at those gorgeous big cells. And there are some cells, really cool ones there. And in the blue part, just gorgeous. Love it. I kind of like this orientation because this top part reminds me of some mountains. I don't know. So here she is dry. I decided to disorientation because I like it more. I just love this lacing, and I love quinacridone nickel azo gold with some gold and white because it's just amazing. Love that color and all the lacing and cells in the sky. And this is because my pearl white mixture, pearl white create lacing and cells. Just gorgeous. I love it. And I love the composition. I love it. So I'm happy. It was a challenge because I don't do that big canvases a lot, but I'm glad that I did because it's beautiful. Yeah, this was it for today, and I see you again on the next one. Bye!